Ever wondered why some employees seem to always be at the top of their game while others struggle to keep up? The secret might be simpler than you think. It's not necessarily about working longer hours or being naturally more talented. It's about knowledge, and more specifically, knowledge about your company. You see, understanding your company's goals, values, and structure can give you a significant advantage. It enables you to align your efforts with the bigger picture, making your work more impactful. You might think that this is the stuff only high level executives need to worry about, but that's a misconception. Knowing your company isn't just for those at the top, it's for everyone who wants to be more effective and successful at work. So if you've been feeling like you're running in place, maybe it's time to change your approach. But what if I told you that understanding your company better could be your secret weapon to success? Yes, you heard it right. The most commonly used tool for improving performance at work is knowledge about your own company. And no, we're not just talking about knowing what your company does. We're talking about a deep understanding that goes beyond the surface. Think about it. What if you knew the company's mission by heart, not just the words, but the real meaning behind them? What if you understood the company's vision so well that you could see it in your mind's eye? And what about the company's values, objectives, and the roles of different departments? How they all intertwine to create the company you're part of today. This knowledge is your secret weapon. It's what sets you apart from the rest. It's what makes you valuable. Imagine being the employee that everyone turns to for insights and information. How would that change your standing in the company? Now you might be thinking, what's in it for me? Well, let's dive into that. Knowing more about your company is not just about facts and figures, it's about understanding the heart and soul of your workplace. When you're aware of the goals, values, and culture of your company, you're not just an employee, you're part of a team, you're part of a mission. Imagine the advantage of being able to make decisions that align seamlessly with your company's vision. You'll be a problem solver, a go-to person, the one who gets it. Your productivity will skyrocket because you're not just working, you're working with purpose. And let's not forget about communication. Understanding your company's language, its ethos, will help you connect better with your colleagues. You'll build stronger relationships, foster mutual respect, and create a harmonious work environment. The more you know, the more valuable you become. So, how do you start learning more about your company? Firstly, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of questions. It's often said that the only stupid question is the one not asked. So don't be shy. Ask your colleagues, your manager, or even the CEO. They can provide insights into the company's vision, values, and future plans. Next, make reading internal communications a habit. Whether it's a company-wide email, a newsletter, or an internal blog post, these resources are a goldmine of information. Thirdly, attend as many company meetings as you can. These gatherings are not just about the free coffee, they offer insights into the company's operations, strategies, and goals. Also, networking with colleagues from different departments can widen your perspective. You will be surprised at how much you can learn from a casual conversation at the water cooler. Remember, the key to success is continuous learning. Now that you know the secret to improving your performance at work, what will you do about it? Let that question sink in for a moment. This isn't just about applying what you've learned, but also about sharing it. You see, knowledge grows when it's shared. So take a moment to reflect on what you've learned today. How does it resonate with you? How will you put it into action? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Maybe you have a unique perspective or perhaps a question that's been lingering in your mind. Don't hesitate to share it in the comments section below. This is where the magic happens, where ideas are exchanged and where we all learn together. So go ahead, let's start a conversation. Let your voice be heard. Who knows? Your insights might just be the spark someone else needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Remember, knowledge is power, so use it to your advantage.